Hello my friends, welcome to my channel Your Body and Day, and today I will teach you how to do an amazing recipe for pea soup, made at home. You who like eat something healthy for lunch or even dinner. Well, this recipe is quick and very easy and doesn't need many ingredients. But before I pass this recipe on to you, I'm making it available, an all-natural supplement, to be helping you in your weight loss. There are no contraindications because it is a natural product, and if you follow using it correctly, will help you a lot in your weight loss, just as it helped many people to recover their self-esteem again. I'll be leaving the link here in the description and in the first pinned comment. The official website of this product only is made available on this channel. Do not buy elsewhere as you may be wasting your money. So if you already like the subject, leave your like and subscribe to the channel to receive many tips and healthy recipes. For this recipe we will need ingredients list: 3 tablespoons of oil, a chopped onion, 300 grams of bacon, 300 grams of smoked ribs, 500 grams of dehydrated peas. Preparation mode: gather all the ingredients. In a pressure cooker, sauté the onion in oil and fry the bacon until all its fat is released. Add the smoked rib and sauté it. Add the peas, water, below the pot handle mark, and cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. When you're done cooking, stir so the peas finish breaking up, then serve. You can serve your pea soup with white rice or toast. And to make it tastier, sprinkle grated cheese on top. If you don't consume animal protein, prepare the recipe without bacon and smoked ribs. Adapt the soup to your needs and have a great appetite. Hope you liked the recipe. Leave it here in the comments if you liked it. A big hug and until the next video.